bonke bathi wena usakanjani sesitubulile manje sesitubulile amapi amaningi wena ukhalanga amapi amaningi wena ukhalanga
ngibani mphathweni
Bathithu
Mashaba udume ngani
Mashaba udume ukuthi uyakhona usibhadalela into and futhi nakhuluma into sakhona kumlalela.
Yakhona kumlalela nende konke lokuya. Oh so njengoba bakubukile lapha nabangani bakho bakhona labalingana nawe labafisa ukuthi ngente ngaba ngajoin no fellow cars ungabatshela ini ungathini kubo njengoba bafisa ukuthi la
Ngabatshela ukuthi njengoba bangani babo danini ngithi ngibhadala transport so gijima kumala sekuma camp ngibhadala transport kwakho.
Sanibonani babukele emakhaya belokhuluma ngomDefni #Defuni sibonga kaThehla so namuhla ngiphathele omnye ibhuti wami lesitaya komlanza lomncane kudzala sinayi la kalo Flow Cast ufuna asitshele ijourney yakhe ngalo Flow Cast ukuthi uqale phi kwendekani nani namuhla njengoba sila celebrate iValentine so siyakomlanza manje igama lakhe ngimele kuhle sibonga kaNkosi ashoneni khona somlanza
siyabagijimisa bese siyabangenele jobsikeleke bathi wena ukhalanga imekelo bonke bathi wena usakanjani sesitubulile manje sesitubulile bese siyabangenele jobsikeleke bathi wena ukhalanga
babukele emakhaya igama lami ngimDef njengoba bengishito ukuthi ngiyabonanzela umfana wethu lomncane lowacala nathi iLofelo Cars asitshela kahle kabandi ngejourney yakhe so ngimlanzile namuhla igama lakhe ngimele kuhle sabona
Yebo
kunjani
ngiyaphila
nami awusitshele kabantu batshele babukele emakhaya ukuthi ngowebani wakabani kwentekani ngawe konke nje usichazele kabantu ngawe sifuna kukwadi
mina igama lami ngimele kuhle sibonga kaNkosi.
Uhlala phi mele ukuhle
Ngihlala eNiskomo.
Okay mele uhlala njengoba uhlala eNiskomo mele uhlala awusitshele kabantu ukuthi wena kahle iLofelo Cars uyicale nini
iLofelo Cars ngiqale 2019 October eMatsulu.
Oh ucale ucale kudzala nomntwana ubuye kudzeni 2019 October eMatsulu okay mele ukuthi njengoba ucale 2019 October eMatsulu awusitshele kabantu ukuthi uve ngabani ngeLofelo Cars usikunelofelo Cars emhlabeni uve ngabani uthatha kuphi njani kwentekani
iLofelo Cars ngivina siStef.
ILofelo Cars ivela seStef nihlala phi ngibani seStef kuwe
Kimi mama uhlala eMathafeni.
Uhlala eMathafeni okay nomele uhle uqale kube iLofelo Cars ngaseStef sesikedeje la ngangumama futhi okay mina uhle asositshele kabantu ukuthi njengoba ula iLofelo Cars kahle yini oyithanza ngeLofelo Cars
iLofelo Cars ngithandzela ukuthi asibhadali ngibhadala itaxi ubhadala ukudla amafruit ubhadala ngemabootcamp konke
ubhadala ngemabootcamp ubhadala mawuya ngemabootcamp
asiya kuma-hikings.
Ubhadala kahle ubhadala ini transport. Okay ngeLofelo Cars kayizini uma sekuma-bootcamp uzakubhadala i-transport uma sekuwalk ama-weekend uzakubhadala i-transport wena idifuna ude joina mahala asifuni imali yakho asifuni lutho kaLofelo Cars kumnazi kunje so kumele uhle njengoba uhambele journey le yiphi iwalk lo ithanza kuwo onke ama-walk lo kuwaba nawo
Walk lengiyithandzako i-bootcamp.
Thanza i-bootcamp yini oyithanza nge-bootcamp
Bootcamp ngiyithandzela ukuthi singene emahlathini sibona ama-waterfalls sibe ne-hiking
konke lokho-ke ukile waya wena bootcamp hayi siyabonga shamele ukuthi uthanza amahlathi kahle kayizini kahle mele ukuthi uthanza amahlathi uthanza i-bootcamp so kumele ukuthi asewungitshele la ngibani mphathi wenu kaLofelo Cars uyamadi ngibani mphathi wenu
Bathithu
Mashaba udume ngani
Mashaba udume ukuthi uyakhona usibhadalela into and futhi nakhuluma into sakhona kumlalela.
Yakhona kumlalela nende konke lokuya. Oh so njengoba bakubukile lapha nabangani bakho bakhona labalingana nawe labafisa ukuthi ngente ngaba ngajoin iLofelo Cars ungabatshela ini ungathini kubo njengoba bafisa ukuthi la
ngabatshela ukuthi njengoba bangani babo danini ngithi ngibhadala transport so gijima kumala sekuma-bootcamp ngibhadala transport kwakho
ekubhadala i-transport okay babukele emakhaya nivele mele ukuthi usichazele ngejourney yakhe yakuLofelo Cars ushito ukuthi ucale kujoyina 2019 October ibo umncane masimajoyina 19 October hayi bo umncane straight Uhambile nathi kumele kuhle-ke usichazele ngejeli yakhe kusikalofelo lokhasi siyeda ubhadala i-transport yakho udinga i-transport yakho mahhala kuthi i-joining fee konke amafruit awathola siyahamba siya kuma-bootcamp njengoba ashido mele kuhle tiningi izinto lesiyitendako and all that. So njengoba asitshelile mele kuhle buyani nonke ningaphuthela kumnanzi kalofelo lokhasi sonke isikhathi sithi don't promise but commit. Siyabonga.
Hashtag positive mindset, positive vibes. This is Low Fault Workers podcast, and of course, this is Daphne Taylor signing out. Now, I will be seeing you soon this coming Saturday at Gamagoko. It is a business day walk. So, Gupina Gupila Kona, make sure that you prepare that business that you have, lay your side hustle yako, and make sure you bring it to Low Fault Workers so that you will know. Utengisa ini, wenzani, udume ngani, so that we will support you. Lawful Workers is all about supporting each other and helping their members grow their businesses. So don't be late. At 5:20, the air rates are starting. 5:30, the walk is officially starting. Ungashiyeki, ungasali, kuzobe kumnandi. Wear that black and white and come join us. And if you're not black and white, not a problem. You can come as you are. We love you. See you soon.